वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. अँड टुडे आय एम बॅक in my kitchen prawns chili fry. So prawns chili fry, so it's going to be spicy because it is said chili fry. So chili is there, prawns is there. So I have taken half kg of prawns, nicely cleaned. I have deveined all this, and I put salt little bit, and it was there. I kept like that. ओके, सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. देव बरो दीस दिवं तुमकां. हिंगासर देंपारां जाल्या. तर आयज हांव दाखयता आमचे सुंगटांची चिली फ्राय. आनी चिली फ्राय म्हणजे तितून मिरसांग्यो आसतल्यो. ओके, स्पायसी आसतले पूण तुमच्यान ते उणें करूं येता. ओके, सो एका लागून हांवें घेतला अर्दो किलो आमचे प्रॉन्स. ओके, पहिले हांव कोंकणीनूच कवर करता, मागीर इंग्लिशीन सांगता. सो अर्दो किलो हे प्रॉन्स, मागीर हांवें इल्ली कोथमीर घेतली आनी ह्यो आख्खो बोई ऑफ लोसणीचो घेतला. ओके, आनी हे एक खुल्यार आमचे आले लोसणाची पेस्ट आनी इल्लेशे हांवें हे घेतल्या, करीपत्ता घेतल्या. ह्यो जावन आसा 5 मिरसांगो हांवें अश्यो उब्यांनी घातल्या, चिरल्या 5. हे जावन आसा एक व्हडलें टामोट, बरें येद्दें आसलें तें व्हडलें एक टामोट. आनी ह्यो पूण आसलो व्हडलो कांदो. ओके, सो व्हडलो कांदो तो तुमी धाकटे घेताले एटलीस्ट तुमकां 3 जाय पडटले. ह्यो व्हडलो एक घेतला, प्याव आमचो असो बारीक शिनला. हांव उजार करतली हितून आमचो गोंयचो सांबाराचो मसालाचो पिठो इल्लोसो एक्स्ट्रा टेस्टाक लागून. आनी तुमच्यांनी आमचो शाकुती पूण घालूं येता. ओके, पण हांव ह्यो घालता सांबाराचो मसालो बरो वयता आमच्या सुंगटा बरोबर. मीठ स्वाद अनुसार. आनी आमचो नॉर्मल मसालो आमचो जो पिठाऱ्यान आसता पळय तो घरान सगल्याच्या घरान आसता ते हळदीचो पिठो, इल्लोसो मिरसांगेचो पिठो आनी आमचो धनियाचो पिठो आनी हांव इल्लेशें जिरें घालतली. तर हे जावन आसा म्हाज्यो सामग्री. हांव ह्या चिली फ्रायक उजार करता तेल आमचें भाजपाक. आता हांव मातशें इंग्लिशनी सांगता. सो आय हॅव टेकन हाफ kg ऑफ प्रॉन्स अँड आय हॅव टेकन 1 full pod ऑफ garlic finely chopped. Then this is maybe 1 big tablespoon of coriander leaves finely chopped, fresh coriander leaves. Then few of curry leaves and 1 small teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I've taken 5 chilies, but if you don't want spiciness, but this is called prawns chili or prawns chili fry. So I have taken 5, but you can reduce it a bit by 2 according to your taste. Then this is 1 big onion finely chopped. This is big 1 tomato finely chopped. Salt to taste. Then the main ingredients what we use from our kitchen is, that is Goan kitchen or Indian kitchen, is I'll be using little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of chili powder and little bit of coriander powder and little bit of cumin seeds I will add to get extra flavor. Rest is this. Let's start. So prawns doesn't take much of time to get cooked, and I have applied salt little bit and I've kept nothing else because everything will go in this frying. Oil you take around 2 tablespoons. If you are health conscious, then 1 tablespoon. So depending how you want, please modify the dish according to your taste, according to your spiciness and how your family loves it. So first thing we will add our cumin seeds, that is around, I'm taking only this much. See this spoon. So it is like 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and here goes our curry leaves. And in this I will add half chilies I will add later. Now at this stage, let the onion go. Very simple, very easy. And fry this very nicely. I have finely chopped this onions with Wonder Chef, which is there in the description box. You can see the link and buy it for your easy. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste. And our chopped garlic. I don't use whole garam masala, that is whole garam spices, because it comes that flavor. So I prefer that this sambar masala where it has all the ingredients. If you don't have sambar masala and you don't want to make sambar masala, my recipe is there in the link. Then you can always use any chicken masala. If you have Xacuti masala, then you can use Xacuti masala too. Now we'll add our tomatoes. हांव म्हणटा की जांकां पळय सांबार मसाला घालूंक नाका, हांव आख्खो खरा मसाला घालिना चिली फ्राय, केन्ना केन्ना तोंडान बेळटा म्हणून. तर हांव प्रिफर करता मसालो पावडर, या तो शाकुती मसाला, या तो आमचो गोंयचो सांबार मसाला. कित्याक तितून सगळो गरम मसालो सगळो आसता तितून, तो एकदम बरो रुचीक जाता. बट तुमच्यान जाय जाल्यार तुमच्यान घालूं येता. And now we will add our masalas to this. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 of chili powder, and 1 1/2 of coriander powder. And to this I will add this 1 same size teaspoon of our Goan Sambhar Masala powder, which is homemade. Let's salt to taste. Give this a nice mix. I will cover this for a while and just wait for a few minutes, low flame. Now we will add to this our prawns, and we can cook this only for 5 minutes because prawns get cooked very fast if you don't want it to be hard. At this time we will add our lime juice to this. and our chopped coriander little, and mix this, and the balanced chili also. Mix this. And cover this just for 5 minutes, and our Goan prawns chili fry is ready. Five minutes. So here it is ready. Now I'll put off my gas. Switch off the gas and serve this with bread or whatever. Okay, so it's done. Hope you all will enjoy this. मानता की तुमकां ही सगळ्यांक बरी लागतली आणि आमची गोंयची prawns chili fry. And thank you so much for watching, commenting, enjoying, and thank you so much. So pay and आता असा serve केला, and you can eat it with bread.